Assalaxx slaps.
Welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this beautiful slightly highlighted bang C-part wig. This is a C-part just because of the way it came. Well, it came on this side, but I switched it. I'll be showing you guys what the wig looks like when it came literally right outside the box. I'm going to put the video somewhere on the screen to show you guys how it looked when it came. But before I jump into the installation part of this video, let me just quickly show you guys what I got inside the package. So this is the box that the wig came in. They sent me some, I think this is, let me just open it. So it is a lash, so some earrings, lashes, and some clips. I did not use any of these because I didn't need to, but yeah, this is what came inside the package. This was for Christmas, but I'm just doing the video after Christmas. But they did send me some Merry Christmas stickers and a little cute gift bag that if you're supposed to give somebody, you could use it. Unfortunately, I did not open the box, so I didn't see it until now. Not like I gave anybody a gift anyways. But yeah, and a user guide to pretty much tell you what to do with the wig, if you're supposed to care for it, wash it, all of that. That's what they sent me inside the box. And obviously the wig. Honestly guys, the wig is very soft. My hands are just going through the wig, which I absolutely love. It came curled, so I did not need to curl it or anything like that. Like, the only part that I curled was the front part because I switched the sides. And I did layer it a bit, so the part that I layered, I went over it. But I really did not need to do anything to this wig. I did not bleach it, I did not pluck it, nothing. I literally just slapped it on my head, and this is how it came out. So for me, the style is an 8.5 out of 10 just because I just don't feel like I look good in bangs. I just don't think they are for me. But overall, the hair quality is a I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10, just because there's always room for improvement, you know. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So the wig came just like this with the bang, which is this part at the front. Bangs don't normally look good on me, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay, I did not pluck this wig. I didn't do anything to this wig at all, nothing. So yeah, and I'm also not doing my wildcat method because it is a closure wig. So hopefully it works, right? Like, you know, hopefully I finesse it good. I'm gonna go ahead and add my foundation to the inside of the wig, and then pretty much just start the installation of it. I might not do a lot of talking because I don't know what I'm going to do with the wig as yet, but you know, get the drift. Okay, so first of all, this wig is pretty much it's pretty much snug. I'm gonna say that. Honestly, I don't know. I do not know. I don't know what this wig is giving. I don't know. It's crazy. Why did I choose this wig? Okay, this is going to have to calm down a little bit more here. That's the first thing. I might have to, I feel like it's more like a bang like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's actually check the website. I'm gonna show you guys what the wig looks like on the website, and this is what we're trying to get right now. Okay, show you guys what the wig looks like on the website. This is what it looks like. I feel like I know what to do. I'm probably gonna have to cut this a little bit more, but it needs to. It's like this. I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to do. Okay. Let's start from. I think this side needs to be layered a bit. Honestly guys, like I started doing this and I'm like, do you get the vibes? Like, do y'all get the drift? I'm definitely gonna be putting some layers in it, like right here, but are you guys getting it? Like, I'm actually getting the drift right now. Like, baby. Okay, I'm gonna actually spray it because I feel like I might as well spray it down while I'm doing this part. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much the final look. I did go ahead and I trimmed off this part. Like, I trimmed some of this part because it was too much on my eyes. Like, you know when your hair is on your lashes and then it makes you look kind of awkward? That's what was happening. So I decided to trim it a bit, and hence why it's like this. But yeah, anyways, I tried doing something. I don't know if it worked for you guys. It's cute, it's giving or whatever, like it's giving something, very much something. So if you guys want to if you guys would like to purchase this wig, definitely check the links down in the description box. You can definitely finesse it and get away with it. Like, you can. If I did it, then you can. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Once again, I would like to thank Luvmehair for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.